Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because I'm gonna sit there and show you just how easy it is to make orange glazed beets. So grab a hold of that vine and swing on in my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Now, I'm gonna sit there and blow your minds away because this recipe is so easy and so simple to put together for your holidays that I thought I would bring you all along and show you just how easy it is to make orange glazed beets. So let's go out and get ourselves our saucepans. You're gonna sit there and need 1 can of beets. Now go ahead and drain off all the juice. Okay, now take your drained sliced beets and empty the whole can into your saucepan. Now we're gonna sit there and take half of a cup of orange marmalade. Well, I have homemade, and also to that we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you're gonna want at least 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, and you're gonna want at least 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now I'm gonna go and grab a spoon, mix this all up, and over to the stove it goes. So let's just kind of give this all just a quick little mix. It's gonna mix up better once it's on the stove anyways. Okay, off to the stove we go. Okay, I have it over here at the stove, and as you see, it's all becoming pretty liquidy. Now, we're just gonna sit here and let this cook and thicken up. And after it's thickened up, just sit there and put it in your serving bowl, and bon appetit. I mean, look at that prettiness in that dish here. It's starting to get real Christmassy in the colors, and let me tell you, even some of your most finickiest eaters, I think, won't snub their nose, not even on this beet. That's how sweet this is to eat. Okay, as you see, it's coming up to a boil, and now we're just gonna sit there and let this thicken up. I mean, do you see how beautifully thickened up this has become since the last time? I just wanted to thicken up just a little bit more, but look at that. Oh, wait till you guys taste this. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make orange glazed beets. Now, I have my husband over here, and I kind of took a small beet, and I've been trying to let it cool off because I know he'll sit there and shove this in his mouth and burn the top of his roof, and I don't want to be videotaping it live. So I'm going to hand the spoon off to my husband. Now it's hot.
That's good. Real good. A little hot though. Whoa.
What's your problem?
Ay, ay, ay.
And that's how easy it is to make our orange glazed beets. Now, if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos and helping support my channel here. It is greatly appreciated. So, happy holidays to each and every one of yous. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?
Very good, Mom.